In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents using iCloud and the Files app. This is a wonderful option if you're looking to collaborate with others in a seamless and integrated way. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Files app on your device. Within this app, you'll locate the document that you want to share. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and find the specific file. If you have a lot of files, using the search function can be tremendously helpful. Once you've found your document, you'll want to gently tap and hold the file. This action will bring up a menu of options. From this menu, look for and select the Share option. This opens up a whole array of possibilities for how you can share your document. Now in the next step, you'll have to decide your sharing method. You have several options, but for today's purposes, we're focusing on sharing via iCloud. This is a great choice if you want to give others access to the file directly from their own devices. After choosing this method, select Add People. Once you tap on Add People, you'll notice that you can choose how you'd like to send the invite. You can opt to send it through mail or messages, or perhaps another communication app that you frequently use. Pick the option that works best for you and the recipient. It truly makes it so convenient. As we move forward, it's time to think about setting permissions. Permissions determine how much control you want to give to others over this document. Tap on Share options for these settings. This is where you can decide who exactly can access the file and define what they're allowed to do with it, whether they can just view it or if they can also make edits. It's crucial to set these up according to the needs of your project or collaboration. After you've got everything set the way you like, it's time to send the link. When you tap Share at this point, the invite will be sent out in the manner you selected, be it through email, text, or another platform. Once you've sent the invite, the recipients will be able to access the document as you've configured. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a document using iCloud and the Files app, ensuring that your collaboration is both smooth and efficient. In wrapping up, remember that using iCloud for document sharing offers both flexibility and control, making collaboration easier than ever before. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.